Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the advanced social media automations. Now, Zapier gives you access to automate data between 4 of the major social media sites: Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. There's also Instagram. Now if you scroll through the available applications, you'll notice that at least one of them has a multi-step process. And this is where you'd be sharing Flickr photos on Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. So we're going to take a look at this Zap. And basically, we'll be sharing this one photo across 3 applications: Twitter, Facebook pages, and Pinterest. However, this is a multi-step automation. What we're going to do is going to click Create this Zap. And then we're going to add a new photo. We're going to connect a Flickr account. We'll verify that this has been a successful connection, and then we'll click Save and Continue. We'll then need to go into our Flickr account to make sure that we have at least one new photo created. Once we've done that, we'll click Fetch and Continue. And then we'll verify that our test is successful. We'll then click Continue. And then we're ready to create an image tweet. We're then going to click Continue. We'll then test our Twitter account. Once we verify that it is successful, we'll then click Save and Continue. We'll then write in the text that we want to appear in the tweet. And then we'll click Continue. We'll then send the test to Twitter. Once we verify that the tweet has been sent, we'll then click Continue. We're now ready to go to the next step in the process, which is to create a photo on one of our Facebook pages. So we'll then click Continue. We'll now connect our Facebook account. We'll test to make sure that it is connecting. And then we'll click Save and Continue. Now in this particular Zap, we're required to choose one of our pages. And this is important to note, that not all Zaps will be the same. You do have the opportunity to choose the page in this particular one, but every Zap is going to be different in its requirements in the setup phase. So now that our page has been selected, our photo is ready, we're then going to click Continue. We can then send the test to our Facebook page. And then we can click Continue. Now the last step in the process is that we will be creating a pin. And so we're going to click Continue. And we're now going to connect a Pinterest account. We're then going to click OK. We're going to test our connection to Pinterest. Once we verify it is successful, we'll then click Save and Continue. Then we'll determine which board inside of Pinterest that we want the actual image to go to. And once we have our data in, we will then click Continue. We'll then send the test post to Pinterest. And then we'll click Finish. Once we complete this process, our Zap is then turned on. And so now by posting the photo to Flickr, it will auto-post to Twitter, our Facebook page, and our Pinterest board. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.